Well, welcome to another flip video lesson with Mr. Volkman. Today's flip video lesson will go over chapter 1.2. The lesson today is titled Reading Between the Lines. If you look at the picture, you get a little hint about what this flip video is going to be about. First, let's talk about longitude. Longitude shows the distance from the prime meridian. Almost said that one wrong. The prime meridian is this invisible line that goes from the North Pole all the way to the South Pole. And it runs through Greenwich, England. And if you notice, here are longitude lines, slowly getting further and further from the prime meridian. These lines of longitude run west and east. Take a look at this fun little M&M comic for a way to hopefully remember which way lines of longitude run. Remember, lines of longitude run from the North Pole to the South Pole and away from the prime meridian. Next up, we have lines of latitude. Now, lines of latitude show the distance from the equator. Now, the equator, again, if you remember, is that invisible line that runs around the circumference of our planet. It's also a fun little tidbit. One of the hottest places on Earth because that's where the sun directly hits our planet. So if you want a nice warm tan, go to the equator. Maybe not this part of the equator because, well, then you'd be in the Atlantic Ocean. The lines of latitude, as I said, measure the distance or how far you are from the equator. And lines of latitude run north and south away from the equator. Now this fun little comment will hopefully help you remember the difference between latitude and longitude. Because, you know, latitude lines are kind of like, as yellow M&M says, like the rungs on a ladder, going up and down. Well, thank you for watching this shortened flip video lesson with Mr. Volkman. Please remember to go to the Edmodo to take the flipped assessment. Do your best on it, and if you're unable to get the score that you desire, that's okay. You'll have the opportunity to correct your assessment in class. Thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to seeing your smiley face tomorrow.